playing it on PC, pre-recorded gameplay or something.
Cool things that you could watch it again and pick up things that you didn't pick up the first time.
Oh my god. These are so good.
Don't they good?
Absolutely not.
No, but these are good. These are, for a bag of frozen pot stickers, freaking amazing. We'll take it to the next level. We'll do we got a bag of dumplings. So inviting. All right, that's on the regular cost. Delish. You got soy sauce on your rice?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Universe. Oh.
I think they won a Grammy for this song. I think this is the song that's on their